Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine? Good. Last week we were studying about the article the. What is article the? The article is definite article, correct? And the article is used before particular thing, understood? And when there is repetition of nouns in the sentence, the is used before the repeated word. For example, here one example was given in your book. What was that example? I have a glass of milk at night, and then second sentence is there, the milk is the milk has sugar in it. Understood or not? The milk has sugar in it. Then what we have used, when noun is repeated in the sentence, once the noun is written second time, when we write down second time noun, before that the is used. What article is used? The article is used. Understood? So here it is told that the is used before the milk, before the noun milk is repeated. The is used before particular noun. The is used when the noun stands for the entire group, that time also the is used. The article is used before the names of rivers, mountains and other such areas of water and land. Understood? The is used before natural objects like sun, moon, earth. The is used before natural objects. The is used before the names of holy books. Understood? The is used before the names of holy books. Even it is told that when you use superlative degree of adjective, before that also the is used, like good, better, best. Good is what? Positive. Better is what? Comparative. And best is what? Superlative. So before superlative degree of adjective, the is used. And at last there was one rule, last one, that the is used before ordinal numbers. Which are ordinal numbers? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, they are ordinal numbers, and before the ordinal numbers the is used. Now we are going to start with question number 1, page number 24. Fill in the blanks correctly with a, an and the. What we have to do? Fill in the blanks with a, an and the. Now first sentence is given here is, we saw dash one eye beggar, he had lost dash eye in dash accident. 1, O, so an will come. I, E, before vowel word an will come, and A is also vowel, accident. So before that also an will come. So our first answer has article, all three articles which are used in the blanks is an. First one, an old eye beggar, an and an. Understood? What you have to do? You have to write down here an and an. Now second sentence, yesterday we had dash visitor, the dash was a friend of the family. Now yesterday we had a visitor. Now visitor is a noun. Okay, I will just write down that sentence. 1 minute, students. I will write down that sentence. Yesterday we had dash visitor, the dash, the visitor. Okay, what will come here? The was a friend of the family. Was the friend of the family. Now here it is told that yesterday we had a visitor. Visitor word starts with V. V letter. V letter is what? Consonant. So we had a visitor, and now visitor is what? It is a noun. Now again noun is repeated in the sentence. Then I told you, when noun is repeated in the sentences again, that time we have to use definite article, that is the. So here what will come? The visitor was a friend of the family. Understood? Third sentence is given, dash giraffe is the tallest animal. Dash giraffe is dash tallest animal. Now a giraffe. Okay, a giraffe is the tallest. Why the is coming over here? Because tallest is superlative degree of tall. 3 degrees of tall are what? Tall, taller and tallest. Understood? Tall, taller, tallest. So this is what? This is superlative degree of adjective. So here the will come before superlative degree. Understood? Next sentence which is given here is, now I will just tell you answers. Fourth one. I bought dash buffalo, dash ox and dash horse. I bought a buffalo, an ox and a horse. So fourth answer will be what? Fourth answer will be a, then an and a. Fifth sentence. Ramu, our servant, is dash honest person. When it is honest, O, pronunciation is O, H is silent. When the word is pronounced with vowel sound, then we have to add an. Okay, you will say honest word starts with H. You don't have to pronounce it honest. It is not honest, it is honest. H is silent. When word H, when letter H is silent in the spelling, pronunciation starts with O, then honest. So what answer will come here? An. Sixth answer is dash Atlantic Ocean. Now it is a water body. Atlantic Ocean is what? Atlantic Ocean is water body. So the Atlantic Ocean is bigger than the Indian Ocean. Both are names of what? Oceans. So for both answer, for both the blanks we have to write down the. Understood? After that, seventh is dash author and dash actress live on dash 6th floor. An author and an actress live on the 6th floor. So an actor, an author and an actor lives on the 6th floor. Now next one is 8th one, dash Bible. Now Bible is what? It is a name of a holy book. So the Bible was the most widely read book of that time. So both blanks will be the. What will be both blanks? Both blanks will be the. 8th one, the and the. 9th one, example which is given here is, I sat between an aged lady and 9th answer is also an and a young man. Understood? Have you understood? Yes. Now here it is told that we do not use a, an and the in the following cases. आता कुठे यूज करायचा नाही. Where we don't have to use a article, an article and the article, some rules are given. Here it is told that before proper nouns. Proper nouns means what? Name of a person, place, animal, bird, thing. For example, Sapna lives in Delhi. Delhi is what? Name of a place. And studies at model school. School's name is what? Model. So here a model school is not written, the model school is not written, and model school is not written. The Delhi is not written, a Delhi is not written, and Delhi is not written. So before proper nouns we don't have to use articles. Second one, before nouns for games, meals and diseases. She likes to play tennis. We don't have to say that she likes to play a tennis, the tennis. कोणत्या पण गेमच्या नावा अगोदर किंवा मील्स, for example dinner, lunch break, breakfast, before that also we don't have to use any article. Now name of a disease, now there is cancer. We cannot say the cancer is dreaded disease, means it takes lives of others. So we don't have to say the cancer. What we can say immediately? Straight away we can say cancer is a dangerous disease. Okay, or then come on, tell me some another disease. Now for example, COVID-19. Coronavirus is the dreaded disease. It takes person dies because of this disease, so it is dreaded disease. Understood? So before the names of diseases, before proper nouns, name of a person, place, animal, birds and things, we don't have to use, and before the names of the games, meals, we don't have to use any articles. Keep in mind, games, meals म्हणजे काय, जेवण. Okay, games, meals, diseases and proper nouns. Before this 4 things, or you can say before these 4 cases, we don't have to use article. Now here it is told again, second question, fill in the blanks with a, an and the where necessary. Wherever it is necessary, we have to use what? We have to use what? We have to use articles. Now first one, the doorbell rang, there was a man at the door. Particular, it is a particular noun, so the door. So your first answer will be, there was a man at the door who said, I would like to see Mr. Sharma. Here no article will come, so put cross over here. There will be no article, so put cross. Second one, she was down with malaria for 2 weeks. Now malaria is what? Malaria is a disease, so straight away you can do what? She was down with malaria for 2 weeks, so no article. Next one, third, dinner will be ready at 8 o'clock. So here there will be no answer, the NR nahi, an NR nahi, a NR nahi. Only what will be the sentence? Dinner will be ready at 8 o'clock. Fourth one, please get me a train ticket to the Bangalore. Or if the also, if you are not using, no problem, because it is name of a place, proper noun. Are you getting or not? It is a proper noun. So if you are not writing the, it is okay. Okay. Please get me a ticket. Please get me a train ticket to Bangalore. Fifth one, my father plays a golf. We don't have to use any article. My father plays golf on a Sunday. Sixth one, our father bought us a bicycle and a doll. Now bicycle is repeated again. So here what will come? The bicycle is for me and the doll is for Rima. Now what will come? Which articles will come over there? The. Here also which article will come? The. Why? Because nouns are repeated. The bicycle is for me and the doll is for Rima. We had sandwiches and fruits for snacks. No article will come. We had sandwiches and fruits for snacks. The sandwiches were tasty, but some of the fruits were overripe. I must buy an umbrella and a raincoat before a monsoon season. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places we don't have to use any article, because it is told, rule is told that when it comes any disease, when it comes any meal, we don't have to use any article. Understood? In this way we have completed our lesson, the article the. Tomorrow we will start with our English syllabus. Okay, textbook syllabus. Please complete question number 1 and question number 2 in your English notebook. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.